Hi everybody, I'm going to show you a quick text effect that you can make pretty easily just using GIMP. So here we go. So I'm going to show you how to make this real quick and easy. The nice thing about it, once you do the text and get the get the text with the colors or image that you're after, you can either add a background or not, and you can save this as a PNG and put this over multiple backgrounds if you're creating a website or something. So just a neat way to create a text uh, effect out there. So I'll show you how to do that real quick. So let's start off with our base image here. So I did a Google search, just typed in colorful flowers or something, and this is one that came up that caught my eye. So we're going to use this one to start off with. So this is going to be the kind of the filler in for of the fonts that I'm about to create here. So I'm going to turn that off real quick. I'm going to go ahead and create a new transparent layer. I'm going to work off this one with my text. So I'm going to hit the A here and I'm in the GIMP uh, 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 open source program here when I'm doing this, and I'm just gonna draw out the area that I want the text to be at. I have it set for this Valdemir script, and I'm just gonna type hope. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna highlight it because let's make it a little bit bigger here. So we'll just do that, and then I'm gonna click out of there. I'm gonna go ahead and move this thing over a little bit. And instead of just having a solid color uh, font in here, I want an effect in there. So I'm gonna use the word hope, and I'm gonna go ahead and uh, make it the color of this using the colors inside this flower image here. So I'm gonna go ahead and reduce opacity on that so I can actually see through it. I'm gonna reposition uh, this hope to get it to where I want. But first of all, I don't like it like that. So I want to switch this around a little bit. So I'm gonna click on flip. I'm gonna change it to a -90 to get it upright. So there we go. And I'm going to make this thing a little bit bigger here to cover my text. Yes, there you go. So I'm going to now move this around to kind of be how I want it. So I want it like that. All right. So then you're going to come back to your text, right click inside your text field. Oh, before I do that, let me go double check something. So under the top layer, I'm going to right click on it. I want to make sure if this wasn't grayed out where I could select it, go ahead and select it so you can add a transparent background to that. I'm come over here, right click, alpha to selection, come back to the, the flower image, select, invert, and then delete, and then select none. So just so we can see this, let's go ahead and add a background to it. So that is a way where you can do whatever you want with this. You can add any color background or just leave it transparent so you can play it on, you can have it on top of another, any other background that you're doing on a website. I like using PowerPoint a lot, so I tend to make a lot of this stuff transparent just like it is so I can put out over different backgrounds or designs. But if you're just looking for a cool effect, this is a great way to just mess around. In this case, I didn't have to. You can move that flower image anywhere you want to create different looking effects for your font. But this is a neat way just to just to make your font look a little bit more interesting. And you can cut it out, hit select, invert, and there you go. Select none. So that's just another quick little tip on different ways you can even make your font have more effects to it and different looks to it. So hope that helped. So one last thing before I sign off completely here. Don't forget to go back to your second layer image with the flowers in it and change your opacity back to 100% so you can truly see what it looks like when you're all done. Uh, so there you go. Hope that helps.